What is going on, you guys? We are back out here with a brand new video, and in tonight's video I'm actually out here at Lincoln's Rock in the Blue Mountains, taking some astro. So let's just get into it. Alright, so at the moment I have my camera set up here, as you can see. I have it on ISO 6400. I'm sort of playing around with that. I have it on the lowest aperture, which is 2.8, as I'm using it 2470, and I also have it between 10 to 15 seconds. Again, I might be playing with that a bit. At the moment, the Milky Way is pretty much immediately above us, so it's a bit high in the sky. But yeah, I'm going to try and take some shots, and I might even try and get some star trails. So I've never tried that before. So that basically just involves me doing a time lapse of the stars, or the sky I should say, and then I'll put it into a program afterwards, and that'll make the star trails come out. So fingers crossed that goes well, because the first time I tried that was the last time I tried that. Didn't work well. So fingers crossed we get something. Okay, so 30-second exposure, 2.8, 6400. Turned out very, very bright. So I might go back and probably turn off my light, because I think that's what it's affecting at this light over here. So yeah, let's see how that turns out. So that one without the light on actually turned out a lot better. I sort of got a bit of the Milky Way in the top left corner there, but looks like everything's a tad out of focus. So might just focus and keep going, carry on. A lot of astro stuff is kind of a bit of guesswork, just because you're always kind of guessing like what the focuses are like. Like at the moment I have it on infinity, but I think I might need to adjust just a little bit to get everything in focus. Alright, so I've just finished up shooting that one, and it is looking a lot better. One thing to note is that the stars are still quite a bit blurry. So I think that's just basically a result of having a 30-second exposure, and knowing that, you know, the sky is kind of moving around you, albeit relatively slowly. But because of that longer exposure, you kind of have that stars moving. So yeah, so something just to consider when shooting astro. So I have changed my location from where I was just over there, so I thought I'd change it, and I think I got a shot that I'm happy with, hopefully. It looks good on the back of the camera, but I always like to see it on the big screen, but I'll check that out when I get home. I'm gonna now try and take some star lapses of the Milky Way now that I've kind of fine-tuned my settings to what I think should be fine. So let's put this into time lapse, and yeah, let's get these shots. So whilst I'm just shooting that time lapse, or that star lapse I should say, I have this light here, which I've used in a few previous videos. So what I'm going to do, Rob's behind me shooting on his camera. He's got the Nikon down there, so there's a rock formation just over here to my left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my lightsaber in here as if it's like a lightsaber in a stone sort of thing, and he's going to take a long exposure, and that light's going to turn off. He's going to take a long exposure, and then I'm going to be like pulling the sword out of the stone sort of thing. So I'm going to try that. So let's give it a go. Try like this. I might hold it in the air. Try a few different results. So I've just finished the time lapse on the A7 III over here. So I'm now gonna get the drone out and shoot some halos. So let's see how that goes. It's a bit windy up here, so I'm a bit concerned about that. But yeah, let's do it. So I have the drone set up at the moment. So we've got the drone light on the bottom, as you can see there. Have the screen over here. So let's go take some drone halos. So we currently have liftoff. The drone is in the air, as you can see. So now we're just gonna do some drone halos. So let's do it. Okay. Okay, we're down to 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's go. Okay, I got the drone. Need to change the battery. Got a double check if I even got the shot. Check it out. I got a shot. Alright, so I need to change the battery over, then put it back up. So let's do it. Okay, so after a quick technical malfunction, we're back with second battery. So let's reset it up. And this time I have a light one, 20 seconds. Let's shoot this again. Let's go. Okay. I was a little bit off where I was standing. Alright. How that turned out. So processing. We have 4 minutes, 30 seconds left on the camera and on the drone. Go. Bad. I'm gonna try a different pose. So let's just put this one down. hard to see. That's what I was worried about, to be honest. I was looking at it and I was like, do I run after it or am I too late to go to the edge? But luckily enough, it didn't. Saving his drone, doing it for the content. But yeah, that is everything that I had planned for tonight. I'm not sure how those last shots turned out because I kept running back and forth, so hopefully I got at least one good shot. But otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.